Good afternoon. My name is Eddie C, and I am the author of the book Trend is Trend. You can see it on my screen right now. This is the book I have written. The date today is 7th of December 2022. It's a Wednesday, and the time is 12:39 p.m. Let me welcome you to Purchase Rationale. Purchase Rationale provides 15 reasons when considering a particular stock. A disclaimer first before I proceed that whatever I share here is purely for information and education. Should you decide to buy after I share, please first consult a financial planner or a licensed broker. The stock in question today is MTEL. All right, MTEL Holdings Berhad. The stock code is 7031. All right. Uh, the criteria for selecting MTEL Holding Berhad today as the best stock pick is based on price gain, trend confirmation, momentum above the Ichimoku cloud and MA 200. It has a relative volume greater than 1 and is a profitable net cash company. Okay, let's get to the analysis. And to as usual, to analyze, we will calculate the intrinsic value of MTEL. All right. To calculate the intrinsic value of MTEL, we will have to divide the enterprise value over here by the total number of shares outstanding over here. All right. The enterprise value of MTEL is 5733 million, 557.33 million divided by 95.55 million, and it will yield intrinsic value of 60 cent. All right. And the market price for MTEL as of closing the half day today is 88 cent. So looks like we will have to pay a premium of let me see. All right, 0.6 minus 0.88. You will pay a premium of 28 cent, and in terms of percentage, 28 cent divided by the current market price of 88 cent. Okay, you will pay a premium of about 32%. All right, the intrinsic value against the current market price is a premium of 32%. The question is, will the current operating earnings be able to cover for this premium? To answer that, we will have to look at the operating earning yields. Okay, so looks like there is no problem for MTEL Holdings with an operating margin of 13.22% to be able to cover the premium of 32%, which will yield an operating earning yield of 4.89%. So there is no issue to cover the 32% premium. It has a ROIC of 5.57% and a PE ratio of 25, which is quite high. And actually, the ROIC over the PE ratio will actually yield the magic formula. Nothing very exciting over here. 5 over 5 is about 20% differential. All right. But in any case, it's still a positive magic formula. So it looks like a normal ascending stock. No forward price earning ratio. Enterprise value, this is exciting, 5.5. As I said, anything below 10 is good for me. So the acquirers multiple, which is actually enterprise value divided by the EBITDA, uh, yielding the ratio of 5.5 is excellent. All right, meaning we are actually buying at fair value. All right, for the current price we are paying. No dividend yield, no dividend payout ratio, has a free cash flow of 309, about 310K positive cash flow. Free cash flow margin, however, is negative 3.59%. So it looks like the free cash flow it has is most likely is from the free cash flow from finance or borrowings. All right. Net debt of minus 28.6. Okay, so it is a net cash company. However, it has 28.6 million and has a bad debt or doubtful account of 63.58 or 64,000 ringgit. All right. Wojtrowski F score, that is the profitably performance deliverance. Uh, Nothing to shout about at 5, but I assume that this is probably a recovery company as well. Altman score Z, which is actually the bankruptcy score within 2 years, is healthy at 3.88. So MTEL has enough money to operate for yet another 2 years without facing the consequence of bankruptcy. And the Binish M score is good, minus 2.63. The normal is minus 2.5. All right, and looks like the account is kept well without manipulating. I would say that MTEL Holding fundamentally is a normal company. Nothing great at the current moment to show anything that is happening. But as it is, the sentiment of the market is what I was interested to pick the stock of the day for MTEL. So for that, to look at the sentiment, let's take a look at the chart. Okay, for MTEL Holding, there is definitely a trend forming. There are actually 4 higher lows already formed on the microwave tree leg of the Elio wave. So definitely a trend has formed, and it is a nice trend because it is all above the cloud and also the 155 line. None of the candlestick has come down to touch the cloud or the 155 line. So this is probably a strong trend, and it is definitely a good momentum because the price action is all above the cloud and all above the 155 line. All right. This is definitely a momentum buy strategy. All right, the price action candlestick has been rising without ever coming down to touch the cloud, so it's quite good supported. All right, so it's a momentum buy or a pullback rebound, you can say. Doesn't matter anyway. It's a good entry strategy as seen here, and the current price of 88 cent, uh, MTEL at 88 cent. It has risen 1 cent or 1.1% as of this morning. All right, and if you buy at 88 cent with a target price of 1 ringgit and 1 cent, all right, and the target price is set at Helio wave, the apex of Helio wave 3, microwave 3, with a stop loss at 83 cent. It will yield a reward to risk ratio of 2.25 times, which is good. Okay, our target has always been 2 or more, and in this case, it is 2.25. Okay, what's more exciting? Of course, definitely because the current price action is actually riding on the wave 3 of the Elio wave, on the micro Elio wave, as well as the macro Elio wave over here, the green line. And the more exciting part is that I can see volume building up since September, last 3 months, and it's exciting to see that actually this is a situation I call buyers intact, where the price breakout juxtaposes against the price breakup as well. All right. So when you combine the two, you have good momentum heading towards the target price. Okay, this is my book, Trend is Trend. If you read this book, you will be able to understand what I am sharing and talking about. So I encourage you to buy this book online at my website, https edc.com, eddiesee one word.com. All right. If you think what I share today is informational and educational, please like, share, and subscribe. If you do so, it will help the channel to grow. It will also help other people who are interested in investing to get more information to help them in making good decision in investing. Thank you for listening and also for your time. Have a good day and bye bye.